Good morning, Timeless Expeditions here. It is about 30 minutes until the reveal from Airstream. Their recent little social media drop when the clock strikes midnight generated a little bit of hype, especially on Airstream addicts. You'll see here, this is the advertisement they put out. You got some black flamingos, what looks like black ACs, shroud covers, some black wheels, black rock guards. Looks like you got a black propane tank cover. What is it going to be? A lot of naysayers out there. So you guys have probably about 30 minutes until the drop, but this is what you get. So it is a 2025 Flying Cloud, the Midnight Flamingo Package. So if you read here, now in 2025, Flying Cloud gets another incredible optional upgrade that lets you tailor the Airstream experience to your particular travel style. Available in the Flying Cloud 25 front bedroom and 27 front bedroom models, Midnight Flamingo delivers striking style and functional upgrades to a travel trailer line already overflowing with incredible features. And so a lot of you were right. Right off the rip, you see the black wheels, you see the black rock guards, the black propane tank cover. The AC shrouds are still white. Another thing is the bumper on the back is black. It is going to come in a hatch model. We'll get to that. So these are the wheels. Looks pretty good. Still Goodyear Endurance, 15-inch wheels on them. There, it's going to come with a hatch. This right here is the cabinet color that's going to be on the inside. So far, I don't have any interior photos. This is the floor swatch. This is what the tabletop is. This is the tabletop surface. So for the countertops and likely for the table itself. This is the accent pillows. And the thing that I probably like the most, this is the awning fabric. And I'd have to see it in real life to really know, but the awning fabric is definitely pretty sweet to me. So this is the Midnight Flamingo package. You can kind of see here, it'll kind of tell you a little bit of things. So it comes with a lift kit already, is what it looks like. You kind of go down through here. It looks like it's possibly only going to come 50 amp service. So dual ACs, that says it's standard. It's going to come with 300 watts of solar, 200 amps of lithium batteries with remote monitoring. So those are probably going to be Battleborns. Aluminum rear hatch with screen, so you don't get the choice for the hatch. The hatch is coming with it regardless. So the 3-inch lift we already covered. Blackout stylized aluminum wheels. Let's see here, black protective coating, coated bumper with storage. So probably like a little bit of like a Line X type kind of bed cover, or like, in the truck beds, how you'd spray that stuff. Probably something like that. That's pretty durable. Black accented rub rail, which the rub rail is the trim here and down below. Manual zip D awnings with flamingo embroidery. I don't really know what the flamingo is. I haven't seen the awning out yet. Unique commemorative badging. Then you'll see here, they're moving to a clip stereo, which is new to me. I've seen JLs, I've seen Fusions, I've seen Clarions, all kinds of things in these. I haven't seen the clips yet. Black accent hardware and fixtures, and so inside everything's going to be black. Midnight blackout curtains, so they're probably pretty dark. That's what it looks like. Of course, this is kind of generated, so it's hard to tell. Woven charcoal lounge and dinette seating, and a charcoal bedspread. I will provide more information once I receive it, but there again, this right here is the trailer rolling here. The wheels, It is going to have a hatch and have to be 50 amp service. And this right here is the 2025 Flying Cloud brochure. So you'll kind of go through here, and the Midnight package has its own debut right here. And so that's the same thing that we already went over. So that is all the information that I have so far on the Flamingo edition. Let me know your comments below. Personally, I like it. I think that they're thinking outside of the box a little bit. I've loved the Pottery Barn. I've loved the Eddie Bauer. The REI editions are pretty cool. The Pendleton is probably one of my favorites. But so it's kind of cool just to see some additions popping up here that aren't necessarily tied to like a brand. I know years back, maybe 2 years ago, they did one with Supreme, which is a clothing brand. It seemed a little strange to me, but other than that, this is pretty cool. So I'm looking forward to seeing some interior shots. Once I get them on this Midnight Flamingo package, I will do another video. I'm working on getting all of those for you guys. So anyway, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Hope you guys have a great day. It's 2025. Let's get some camping in.